Respected students, welcome back everyone. So today's video is about factless fact table. Okay, this is one of the most important topic in data warehousing, data concepts. So you all have heard about dimension table and fact table. Okay, so basically there is one more type of table which is known as factless fact table, and in many interviews, especially in first or second technical round, this question is asked. So maybe this thing have happened like today you have given interview and this question was asked, and this is the way you have landed to this video. So in this video I am going to tell you properly about factless fact table, what is the difference between fact table and factless fact table. So let's start with the video, but if you are new on our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for all upcoming videos. So you can see this here. So properly this is the fact table which are having columns like date key, product key, store key, and this column number D and column number E are very important when it comes to fact table. So you can see sales amount and quantity, which are the business numbers are there. But when it comes to factless fact table, you can see only the bunch of foreign keys are there like date key, product key, store key. And the reason why it is foreign key, because see the values are repeated. Okay, so if the values are repeated and duplicate values are there, then those are foreign keys, first thing. Okay, and second thing, no business column are there, like sales amount is not there, quantity is not there, or any other amount which is there, business numbers are not there in factless fact table. This is the most important thing. It is also known as factless fact table, is also known as event table also. And what is the definition of factless fact table? Like, see, very simple definition I have written here, that it does not contain measures like sales, quantity, amount, anything. Okay, revenue. Instead, each row represents an event. That's the reason why it is also called as event table. And the measure is usually calculated using count of rows. So basically, we do count of rows. And why factless fact table is used in real time projects, like number of visit is there. Let's say if any website is there, if they have created funnel, okay, or any course is there, like how many visitors were there in website, number of attendance record, number of login. Okay, let me tell you simple. If any panelist will ask you this question, factless fact table and example, tell them the IT related example also. So when we work in IT, there are apps like Empower is there, okay, Accent, and many apps are there which are used to calculate the employees' attendance. So basically, in my real-time project, I will tell, when I've worked on home project, that time when we were working on HR data in back 3 4 years back in 2022, that time we have used this same factless fact table only in our modeling. Okay, so factless fact table is mostly tell directly that for employee login purpose they use in real-time project factless fact table. And what are the two types of factless fact table? Event tracking table and coverage table. Okay, so this was all about factless fact table. Again I will repeat, factless fact table is a table where there are bunch of only foreign keys and no numerical columns are there, and it is usually calculated using count of row. And the one basic example you can give is like employee login attendance, we check using factless fact table. Okay, so thanks for watching till end, and if you are having any kind of doubt, make sure you comment. Within 1 hour I will reply to you. Okay, and follow us on social media, especially Instagram and Telegram. Thank you all.